Good morning all. Today, as a continuation of rational number chapter for class 8th, I will be delivering my third video. This part is part 3a, in which I will be covering properties of rational number. Now, since property of rational number is a very vast topic, I have divided it into two segments. Part 3a will consist of addition and subtraction property, and part 3b will consist of multiplication and division property. So, coming directly to our properties or laws. First property is closure property. Now what is closure property? Suppose a by b and c by d are two rational numbers. So on addition of a by b and c by d, you will also get a rational number. So closure property will hold true. Example, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 if I am adding, as you can see 5 by 6 result you are getting. So 5 by 6 is a rational number. So closure property is true for addition of rational numbers. Now coming to the subtraction, same property, closure property, a by b minus c by d, it will also yield a rational number. As you can see in example, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, if I am subtracting, you are getting 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 is a rational number. So closure property holds true for subtraction of rational number. Coming to our second property, this is the commutative property. Commutative property, what is the meaning? Same example, a by b and c by d you are taking as two rational number. So for addition, first you see a by b and c by d if you add, and if you reverse the order, c by d and a by b if you add. In both the cases you are getting the same result. If you are getting the same result, commutative property is true. If you are not getting the same result, commutative property does not hold true. So for addition, you can see example, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 I am adding, and I am adding by reversing the order, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So you are getting 5 by 6 as the result in both the cases. So commutative property is true for addition. Now for subtraction, a by b minus c by d, it will not be equal to c by d minus a by b. So you can see the example, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. If you subtract, you will get a result of 1 by 6. But if you reverse the order and subtract 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, you will get minus 1 by 6 as a result. So commutative property does not hold true for subtraction. Means on reversing the order, the answer is changing. So commutative property will not be true for subtraction. Coming to our third property, which is associative property. Now associative property is same as a commutative property, but here you have to take three numbers. So let a by b, c by d and e by f are three rational numbers. So on addition, if you take a by b and you add c by d and e by f, c by d and e by f are in bracket. That means you have to solve c by d and e by f first. And if you change the position of the bracket on the right hand side, means a by b and c by d if you add first and e by f if you add at the last. If you are getting the same result, associative property will be true. So let us see an example for addition. 1 by 2 plus in bracket 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. This is our left hand side. And on right hand side we are having 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 in a bracket. And 1 by 5 I am having outside the bracket. So what is meaning of this bracket? Bracket you will solve first. So in left hand side, second, third number you will add first. And on right hand side, first and second number you will add first. So let us see if you are getting the same result. Yes, 31 upon 30 is the result in both the cases. So associative property holds true for addition. Now coming to the subtraction with the same property, associative property. A by b minus in bracket c by d minus e by f. This will not come equal to a by b minus c by d in bracket and minus e by f. That means second and third number if you subtract first and then the result you subtract from the first, this will give a different answer. And if first and second number you subtract first and third number you subtract at the last, you will get a different answer. As you can see in example, 1 by 2 minus in bracket 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 will yield a result of 11 by 30. Whereas 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 in bracket and minus 1 by 5 at the last will yield a result of 1 by 30. So both the answers are not same. So associative property does not hold true for subtraction. This you have to keep in mind. Or if you can directly take an example and you can see for yourself that associative property will not hold true for subtraction. Now coming to our additive identity and additive inverse. Now what is meaning of additive identity? Same, if a by b is a rational number, for addition first you see, a by b plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a by b. In both the cases you will get the answer of a by b. That means additive identity. What is the meaning of additive identity? Additive identity means a number, if you add to a rational number, the same answer you are getting, the same rational number you are getting. So that is the additive identity. 0 is a number. If you add 0 to any rational number, you will get the same rational number. So 0 is additive identity for all the rational numbers. This you learn. Now coming to our additive inverse. Additive inverse means what you have to add in a rational number so that you get the result 0. So as you can see in example at the last, minus 7 by 6 is additive inverse of 7 by 6. This means if you add minus 7 by 6 and 7 by 6, you are getting answer 0. And 1 by 3 is additive inverse of minus 1 by 3. What is meaning? The meaning is that if you add 1 by 3 to minus 1 by 3, you are getting answer 0. So what is additive inverse? Additive inverse is for a rational number is the same rational number with opposite sign. You have to keep in mind. If plus sign is there, you just place a minus, it will become additive inverse. And if minus sign is there, you place a plus, it will become a additive inverse. Now let us see if this identity and inverse holds true for subtraction also. No. See, a by b minus 0, it is not equal to 0 minus a by b. In both the cases, you will get the answer with different sign. So there does not exist an identity with subtraction. Same case for inverse also. A by b, if you are subtracting minus a by b from it, you will not get minus a by b minus a by b. Means there does not exist a number that you subtract it from a rational number, you are getting 0. Okay, so there does not exist a subtractive inverse, or there does not exist an inverse with a subtraction symbol. Okay, so this was my third lecture on this rational numbers. Remaining property for multiplication and division I will be covering in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.